Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Let's just wave, Jack, because that's diabolical. That's maniacal. Margie's on the floor crying. We knew they were being too good. We thought, I'm like, they only barked one time. I'm like, okay, so let's go see what they were doing. We go see what they were doing. That ain't something good. I don't want to videotape this. Something that they were supposed to tear up in there, somebody else's. I'm gonna have to stop to shut down the camera. Go look for it before I videotape this. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
No. There's nothing. They didn't do nothing else. They didn't do nothing else.
She probably just knocked everything. She just knocked it over. When she tore it like that.
Oh gosh. Oh, Abby. I know. What were they doing to you? That's hilarious.
You are hilarious. Oh, your head smells like
Chips.
Oh gosh.